fast. No time. Go fast. Ready, sir? Thank you.
Yes, can you brief about it today on this press conference? What is the way you would
Yeah, so we are really excited and thrilled today to bring a unique initiative launched yet again by Dish TV India Limited ahead of time, ahead of any of its competitors in the market. Not only in India, I would say we are the first company globally to come out with this kind of an offering where a customer has the privilege to choose anything around the world of entertainment and content, and it enables him to watch under the same subscription without paying anything extra for it on any device of his choice, anytime and anywhere under the same plan. So if a customer is paying me, for example, 250 bucks today, 250 rupees today, he continues to enjoy all the linear channels, the pack which he has subscribed on DTH, as well as the offerings of OTT which we have bundled with it now, without giving even a single rupee extra to me. So even if it is 250 rupee pack he subscribed, he gets it. If he's on 350 rupees pack, he gets it. So that is a unique offering which we have come out with, and I am sure that this is going to, like always, we have been the one who have given a new direction and new definition to the world of entertainment. Is going to be having same kind of ripple effects in the industry going forward.
So, compared to other players, what is the unique, sort of quality and packages?
So this kind of a offering is not there, like I said, nationally as well as globally. So if you have subscribed to a 250 pack, any other brand will ask you to give more money for the additional OTT app that you are asking for. We are not asking you to pay anything extra. Number one. Number two, we are saying you can watch it on TV as well as your mobile, as well as your iPad, or wherever you are traveling. You can watch it at your home, you can watch it at your office, or anywhere you are traveling. So that is the uniqueness of the product, which nobody has given so far in this space.
What is the basic price?
Basic price is that anybody who has a subscription of 200 rupees and more on Dish and DTH platform can get all these services. And if you are not on a Dish and DTH platform, there is a unique offering for you wherein you pay me only 3,000 rupees and I give you all these subscriptions, your TV as well as OTT. And the bumper offering is that you get 5,500 cashback from me. So you pay me 3,000, but I'm paying you back 5,500, which will take care of your TV practically for next 24 to 30 months.
So, how upcoming products?
That's already there, already launched.
In the future,
For the rural customer, we have come out with a different proposition. You don't need to pay me 3,000 also, because we know the pocket size is a problem there. So you get to enjoy these things at 2,000 with a reduced cashback. Thank you so much.
ఇంకేదే ఉందన్న కిందకే ఉంది
ఓకే ఈరోజు డిష్ టీవీ స్మార్ట్ ప్లస్ లాంచ్ చేయడానికి వచ్చాను అండ్ ఐ థింక్ ఇది జస్ట్ నాట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ ది బెస్ట్ మీడియా ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ కంపెనీస్ బికాస్ ఒక కన్జ్యూమర్కి డిమాండ్స్ అండ్ చాయిసెస్ ఆర్ చేంజింగ్ ఇన్ టుడేస్ టైమ్స్ లైక్ యూస్ టు సీ DD before, then we see movies, and then there were TV serials, TV, and then during Corona, OTT really came up. So like if I am at home and if I'm watching TV and there are channels, then I have to separately again watch OTT on a separate this thing. So I feel the best thing for an Indian family, because for Indian family there is old lady, there is a grandmother, there is a child, there is husband, wife. అందరికీ చాయిసెస్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఫర్ దాట్ ఇది ఒక ప్లాటర్లో ఇన్ వన్ ప్లేస్ యూ గెట్ టు సీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, అండ్ దట్ చాలా లెస్ రేట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ I feel is great about it, and I think not just in India, not just here, but I think full world is the first time you're getting this thing. I'm happy to be.
సో అంటే మీరు ఎస్పెషల్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఇట్లా అప్రోచ్ ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు?
అది నాకు తెలియదు, బట్ ఐ థింక్ ఐ వర్క్ ఇన్ 5 లాంగ్వేజెస్ అండ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్లో కూడా వర్క్ చేశాను. అందుకే ఐ థింక్ దే ఆర్
డిష్ టీవీకి బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్
brand ambassador. I have just come to launch it here, and in Bangalore also I launched it.
ఓకే
ఎట్లా చూస్తారా క్వాలిటీ కానీ ఓటీటీలో ఇట్లా బాగుంటుందా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్?
అది ఈజీ కాదు. లైక్ ఐమ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆన్ సోఫా, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు నౌ stop the TV channel, then again sign in, go on OTT, then pay this, pay that separately. So So this makes my life very easy, and you know, like if my brother wants to watch something else, or somebody wants to watch Indian Idol, Saregama, something, and I want to watch this, then we fight with the remote, right? So this is easy and it's lesser price.
ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అండి కొత్త ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అండి
So ఇప్పుడు Ardham, we got Ardham by Tips Telugu, that is coming. Then there's another movie with Lakshmi Manchu and Nagala called Lechadi Ranguko, and then Inka Ukate Hindi movie with Jedi Pala. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
You are ready, sir?